Rancher is a cool JavaScript library that creates a mesmerizing falling character effect. If you've seen Ghost in the Shell or The Matrix, you know the look green characters cascading down the screen. With Rancher, you can easily replicate that look and customize it to fit your design. Ready to get started? Here's a quick setup guide. For more information and code snippets, check out the links in the description below. First, download the rain-char.js file and include it in your web page. Next, add an empty HTML element where you want the effect to appear. Then, initialize the effect by creating a new Rancher instance. You can start, pause, or stop the animation with a few simple commands. Finally, adjust the look of your digital rain with customizable options like character size, color, and font. Here's a quick demo. You can see how easy it is to customize the effect. Change the color, adjust the speed, and see the rain come to life. So, how does it work? Rancher uses an HTML canvas element to simulate the falling effect. Each character is picked randomly from a set with its own size and speed, and then drawn on the canvas. The result is a smooth, continuous stream of characters that adjusts automatically when you resize your browser window. That's it for today's tutorial on Rancher. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more web development resources, and leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions you have. Catch you in the next one.